Today, the Golden State Warriors are known as one of the most successful franchises in basketball and all of sport. And 4 NBA titles, 6 finals, and in the last 8 seasons. That ain't bad, man. That ain't bad. In 2022, you showed what you're all about. Heart and hustle. Constant motion. With individual freedom and personality that comes together as one team. A team that plays with joy, with drive, to be their best, and reflects the vibrancy of the Bay and the culture of our country. It's no wonder why millions of people at home and around the world stop and watch you play. Our national motto is E pluribus unum, out of many, one. We are one America. I know the team we're honoring today understands what it takes to work together. The Golden State Warriors are always welcome in this White House. There's such a sense of history. So many things have happened. By the way, thank you for what you've done on gun control.
Oh, thank you.
I know the history of your dad,
Yeah.
and I know it, but I mean, it's critical. And we made some progress.
Yes, you have.
Outlaw assault weapons.
You did it once. You did it once. You
We're
can
doing
do
it
it again.
again.
Yeah.
I really mean it.
Yeah.
Your name is forever there in Beirut.
Yeah, yeah. My dad's legacy there. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for. I didn't know you knew that story.
Oh, I know the story.